Hello everyone, my name is Juninho Sta. So in this video, I'll be exploring two important techniques in subsurface investigation, geotechnical and geophysical techniques. These methods are essential for understanding what lies beneath the ground surface, which is crucial for projects like construction, mining, and environmental studies. I'll walk you through the basics of each technique, how they differ, and their practical applications. Let's start with geotechnical techniques. Geotechnical methods involve physically sampling the ground to understand its properties. These techniques include drilling boreholes, extracting soil and rock samples, and conducting tests like SPT, Standard Penetration Test, which measure soil resistance at specific depth. Geotechnical methods are generally used for shallow subsurface exploration reaching to from 10 to 50 meters. They provide highly accurate, detailed information about the composition, density, and stability of soil and rock layers. This information is invaluable for designing building foundations, assessing slope stability, and evaluating ground conditions for construction projects. Okay, now geophysical techniques. Geophysical methods are non-invasive. Instead of drilling, they use equipment to measure seismic, electrical, magnetic, or gravitational signals. These signals help infer the properties of subsurface materials without needing physical samples. Unlike geotechnical techniques, geophysical techniques can explore much deeper, hundreds of meters or even kilometers below the surface. This makes them useful for identifying large-scale subsurface such as groundwater levels or mineral deposits. So, what is the difference between geotechnical and geophysical techniques? So, to put it simply, geotechnical techniques are used for precise, detailed information about the soil or rock composition. In contrast, geophysical techniques are used for broad, deep subsurface profiling and are great for mapping larger areas. So in terms of depth, geotechnical methods usually investigate shallow depths, typically up to 10 to 50 meters. On the other hand, geophysical methods can reach hundreds of meters to even kilometers below the surface. So the third one is accuracy and detail. Geotechnical techniques provide high accuracy and detailed data from specific points because they physically sample the material. However, only cover certain locations. Meanwhile, geophysical methods, while less specific, offer a broader picture of subsurface and are useful for continuous coverage across a site. In terms of cost and time, geotechnical techniques, especially those involving drilling and physical sampling, can be more expensive and time-consuming. Geophysical methods vary in cost depending on the technique, less labor-intensive, as they don't require as much physical disturbance to the ground. So, where are these methods typically used? Geotechnical techniques are important for designing stable foundation for buildings, dams, and other structures that requires a precise understanding of the subsurface. They are also used for soil testing to check for contaminants or assess stability in landslide-prone areas. Geophysical methods, on the other hand, are often used in a large-scale projects. For example, they are great for oil and gas exploration where it's necessary to map deep geological formations, or for mining, where the goal is to identify mineral deposits. Geophysical surveys are also valuable for environmental studies, helping locate underground water, identify subsurface contamination over wide areas. To wrap up, geotechnical and geophysical techniques are both vital in subsurface exploration. Geotechnical techniques focus on shallow foundations and specific testing, while geophysical techniques are more suitable for deep extensive exploration and are often used for mapping and resource discovery. Together, they provide a comprehensive understanding of subsurface conditions, ensuring safe, effective, and sustainable project planning. Thank you for watching.